Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. Today, we are going to discuss the 8th small independent discourse entitled The I and the Body, a concept of scientific religion. This is part 1 of 2. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President, Telecom Division, High Physics Laboratory India Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra, India. The understanding and suggestion through the course of spiritual management says we must understand the science of religion and religion of science for better development of humankind. One way to distinguish between science and religion is the claim that science concerns the natural world, whereas religion concerns both the natural and the supernatural world. The energy cannot be created nor destroyed. We have heard this through many means. Science teaches us that the energy is a conserved quantity. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in any form but cannot be created or destroyed. The physical experience around us appears as true because of energy. The energy which is omnipresent in the space. The spiritual management says that the sum or total of energy of space never changes. The physical appearance is just a mirror image of this omnipresent undivided energy. This is nature. We call it Prakriti in Hindi. That never remains same. That is, it changes every fraction of second. And because of energy, the nature seems or appears to be present. It is same as that of our face in the mirror. It is not there, but it appears. The descriptive study of religion that examines all religions phenomenologically, historically, psychologically, and sociologically is called science of religion. Scientific religion simply means science of religion and religion of science that finally merges into extended consciousness, which depicts the combination of science and spirituality both. Understand that development simply means the extension of consciousness. And this consciousness has to be developed in the direction of science as well as spirituality. In fact, life is the combination or yoga or addition of matter and energy. There is a interesting story in this respect. A mystic sadhu met the king who was on his vehicle called Ratha. The sadhu asked the king by directing towards the Ratha that, "What is this?" The king answered that, "This is my vehicle, it is called Ratha." The sadhu directed towards each individual part of the Ratha roof, wheel, seats, even horses, etc., and asked the same question. Every time the king replied no, since no such part was the Ratha. And the sadhu removed that every part after each no. Finally, the Ratha was fully dismantled, but no part was named as Ratha till the end. The mystic sadhu smiled and said, no individual part is Ratha, but the yoga or combination of these segments is only called Ratha. So is true about the life, which is the combination of matter and energy only. Who am I? The biggest question. If someone asks you by directing your hand that what is this, you will reply as it is my hand. Do you ever thought that what is this my, or who is this me? For whom you have said my, for the hand, that is my hand. And moreover, who said this my for the body? The question, who are you? The answer would be, I am so and so. You will pronounce your name. Question, what are you and why you are? A bit difficult question. Answer would be, I am because Atma or soul or energy is inside my body. The answer remains incomplete since my body means whose body? To whom I am saying my. So finally, you are because the soul is inside the body, otherwise your body would have declared as dead. There is another version with respect to this in spiritual management approach. The another way of thinking would be, you are Atma or soul around which there is a body that is given some name for identification. That you means not the body but the soul. The body is only a means for you to be on the earth for some purpose. The body have different stages as child, young or old. It also have pain, illness, happiness, etc., etc. But it is not you. Since these are the external movements approaching to your body. The benefit of this thinking is, this way you cannot be dead. It is not a question of fear of dying. It is an approach of thinking. Since the soul is a form of energy that cannot be destroyed, and the body that continuously deteriorates and dies is not you. This means soul or energy shall occupy another body in order to reach to the ultimate goal or final destination. The destination which is not known to us, which is unknown to us. Our physical existence starts with our birth. There is more than 100 years old experiment in science called Millikan's oil drop experiment. This has a significance in spiritual management with respect to the process of birth and presence of soul or consciousness in the body. When we spray oil from a fine nozzle of an atomizer, the oil drops are found to be charged while coming out from the nozzle. It happens automatically. And this is as per the principle of condensation nuclei. According to the principle, charge is available because of the friction at the nozzle and oil is present in the atomizer. Therefore, oil is condensed around the charge. That is, now we observe an oil drop in which a charge is situated. The oil drop is the body and the electron situated in the oil drop is the soul. This is an experimental fact. This experiment shows that oil drop from the atomizer is formation of body and charge from the friction is entrance of the soul in the body. This is how the birth takes place. We shall continue this discussion to understand what is me or I and my body to the next part of this discourse. Thank you very much, and we shall meet in the part 2 of this discourse. Thank you very much.